guys, I'm welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me and if you like what you watch, then please consider subscribing. So by the thumbnail you guys already know what it's going to be, but there is something different about today's video. I have never got any lehenga under 500 rupees, but today I'm going to try one. So without wasting time, let's get started. I ordered this lehenga from Flipkart and this is how the packaging looks. It's a normal basic package, but yes, it's a good package. So let me just open this up. This is how the lehenga should look. Let's see how it is. It comes in again with a clear packaging and the product is so light. First of all, let's see how the blouse looks. So it comes in this navy blue color. They have two pieces, separate pieces attached to one. Now I think this is the sleeve part, and here's okay, this is for the neck. Beautiful embroidery, not very gaudy, it's very simple, and the fabric was written as silk, but I feel it's more of a lining material or astar kind of a material. Not very soft, not very rough, but it's okay for the price. I don't really complain. The fabric is very see-through, you can see this, so you'll have to get a lining while you get it stitched.
If I have to compare the embroidery design of the display picture and what I've got, then it's almost same. The design is very neat and the sleeve part is very beautiful. It looks like it's very well made, and even the threads used for embroidery looks nice.
There is enough fabric, I think around 0.80 meters, and then it comes with this lace which looks a little cheap, but it's fine, you can actually skip this, you don't have to use this. It comes in this pink and golden thread or the lace. Next, let's see the skirt. So here's the skirt. This is how it looks. It has this heavy embroidery or lace work, patchwork going on. Trick here is net. Again, this is very soft. It's not rough, and they've done a layering. This looks like a little cheaper quality of satin. Not really satin. I'm not sure what kind of a fabric is this, but the feel of this is like a cheaper version of a satin. It's a little see-through, so you'll have to wear something underneath this.
The skirt has a very nice and neat pleating which will give a very good shape to the lehenga, and the fabric again is very soft and nice. Even the net is like the softest net is used here. The bottom of the lehenga has this huge lace work going on, pink, blue and golden embroidery detailing, which again is not that great but okayish. But the stitching part of this embroidery and the lace patch work is very neat and nice. You can actually see it here.
To the dupatta, this is how the dupatta looks. It comes in this creamish white color and has this blue and golden lace detailing here. The width of this is just this much, and the length is not very long. It just looks like a kid's dupatta. So, but the fabric again, the net fabric is really nice, very soft. Actual price of this product was 376 and I had to pay shipping charges for this. So altogether I had paid just 431 rupees, and For 431 rupees, I think it's a very good lehenga. You can wear it for small occasions. For 431 rupees, I think it's a very good lehenga because the fabric is good, the design or the embroidery is good, the feel of the material is good, and I think the best thing is the price. So I would rate it 4 out of 5, and that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.